Okay, here we got another horn kill switch, and this is similar to another one that we've done. It has a beep beep horn button or a kill button, and with a dim dip switch there, so it's a two position switch, 4 cables. So you could use it as a kill switch or as a horn button, because it doesn't actually earth out. Yeah, standard, straightforward. Screws in, and it's got black cable casing with 4 wires, red and black, blue, brown, and blue and white, and it's probably 18 inches long or so, something like that. Lovely, shiny, beep beep, nice switch, popular.